At Direct Care Training and Resource Center, Inc., we understand the critical role public employees play in serving our communities. That's why we've developed a specialized training program on the varying types of dementia, including Alzheimer's disease, specifically for you, our frontline workers. Today, we're going to be working with a template designed for interactive education. It is created with interaction in mind. We will provide the base layer so that you can focus on adding your learning material on top. Let's get started. This program begins by defining dementia and its many forms, with a particular focus on Alzheimer's disease. It breaks down the stages of dementia, from early signs to more advanced stages, helping public employees recognize and understand these conditions. Our training provides strategies for quick assessment of memory deficits, skills that can be essential in moments of crisis, during court proceedings, or while investigating reports of abuse and neglect. With this training, public personnel like probate court judges, clerks, EMTs, police officers, and adult protective services staff are equipped with the knowledge to make more informed judgments, whether in the courtroom, on the streets, or during investigations. By recognizing the symptoms and stages of dementia, this training helps ensure that those suffering from memory deficits are treated with dignity, respect, and appropriate care. Direct Care Training and Resource Center, Inc., ensuring public employees are prepared for the complexities of dementia and Alzheimer's, empowering them to serve better and protect those most vulnerable.